Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. How you do? I think everybody's fine. And this is the time to going out. And then now we're going out. And today's vlog will be very interesting. And because I'm just going to around today, Springville, which is quite far away from the, almost like a 40 minutes drive from the city to, from Melbourne to outside. So I'm going now. So this is my home, and I'm just going to travel now. And okay, let's go to the, we will see what's going to happen today. All right, today's Melbourne weather is very beautiful and very lovely weather. You can see everyone. It's nice weather today, and very beautiful weather. And we go to almost like drive from here to almost 40 minutes. So everybody, oh my God, it's cool breeze here, and really enjoy the weather here. Melbourne weather is very lovely. How's everyone? Good. And before I'm going to the further down, I request everyone, please subscribe my channel and enjoy, please travel with me wherever I'm going. This vlog is just like, informative vlog. It's doesn't matter, it's information. It's just for entertainment, or I just give to the everyone what I can feel, what I see, and what's the information I can do. This is I'm just make for everyone. Okay. ये जो आज का व्लॉग है ये बहुत ज़्यादा दिलचस्प होने वाला है, क्योंकि मैं अभी जा रहा हूँ मेलबर्न शहर से तकरीबन कोई 40 मिनट की ड्राइव के ऊपर, और उसका जगह का नाम है स्प्रिंगवेल. और अभी जो है मैंने अभी ये मेलबर्न की खूबसूरती है कि ये देखें कि अभी यहाँ पे जो है ना वो बिल्कुल वो ये अभी पौधे इतने खूबसूरत होते हैं कि जब इनको फूल लगते हैं तो ये बहुत इंजॉय होता है. तो अभी मैं ट्रैवल कर रहा हूँ. सी यू सून इंशाल्लाह. एंड यहाँ पे सबसे बड़ी खूबसूरती है कि हर घर में फूल और पौधे लगे हुए हैं. ओके, ये हम जा रहे हैं. तो ये हमारी गाड़ी है. Okay, I will drive today because the Chaudhary Sahab wanna be. Chaudhary Sahab says Assalamu alaikum. Okay, this is the Chaudhary Sahab where I'm staying. Very nice and kind person. So say Assalamu alaikum everybody, and soon we will see you guys. Okay, thank you.